It's March 23rd. We have 68 days until we need to be out of our house and on a plane to Paris. As you can see, we've got a truckload of things that we're taking over to Ellen's parents' house, who so graciously agreed to hang on to it while we're abroad for a year. So yeah, just working our way there one day at a time. So I know it's been a while since we made a video. We've been busy packing, selling things, getting rid of what we can't store. But we've taken a couple days to come out to the Chama. We're gonna do some rafting for the next 3 days. You can see we've got the van loaded with our cataract.
I'm so excited! All right, so we're here on the Chama River in northwestern New Mexico, just below El Vado Reservoir. We're gonna run 31 miles through the wilderness scenic section. Water is high because it's May. Should be super fun and super fast. The Chama flows through beautiful scenic canyons and then will eventually become a tributary of the Rio Grande.
So we're about to eddy out at Aragon is the name of the rapid. Yeah. We're gonna scout it. And yeah, we're about 10 miles into a 12-mile day on the Chama.
All right, we're out of the boat. We are scouting Aragon Rapid. Rumor is there's a strainer at the bottom of it, so we want to make sure we know where we're going before we go in. All right, we just scouted Aragon Rapid. Rob's pulling us out of the eddy. The kayakers have gone downstream already.
behind the tail of it.
So Dark Canyon Rapids begins near the top of the debris fan from Dark Canyon on River Right. Two rather large rocks are located in the center and left of the river near the beginning.
So we want to stay right now.
Yes.
Oh, that got me. Is that a hole? Or is that a wave?
It's a wave.
Ah. I think we almost missed it. Oh yeah.
All right, so we made it to camp. It's our second day on the river. We're camping at Rio Chama, we had an awesome day on the river yesterday. We're actually staying the day at this camp, so we're not gonna be on the water at all. We're going on a hike, and we're just gonna have an awesome, relaxed day here at camp before we continue on the river tomorrow.
Yep. And then they come in taking their clothes off.
Yeah.
They did it on purpose, too. Yeah.
And then what do you give that you want to get now?
I don't know.
It's like a nice little refrigerator rock.
Just laying up against for a minute. Okay. I was gonna say, it doesn't look like it burned up here. Even these ones that are alive would have like... I remember the 180 degree views. Holy shit.
How was our hike?
It was good. It's not over. I think we're going down there, right? All the way down to the river.
Yeah.
That's where we crossed it.
Oh yeah. I feel like we're fairly close.
Behind me is Navajo Peak. This is the mountain we hiked to the top of. We had an awesome hike. We went up to the peak, down the rim, and then came down the next canyon where we hit Rio Chama. And Rio Chama is a tributary to the Chama, which is where we're camping at the tributary, and it was an awesome hike.
I like nothing more than the most interesting walk in the world. Guys, it's so maybe except for that one.
I'm sure it'll be like waves. It'll be good.
So it's our third day on the Chama. We woke up this morning at camp, and the water has come up a ton. We're really excited. It should be fun. We have 16 miles to raft today to a takeout. Should take a couple of hours. It's a beautiful sunny day. Oh my gosh, can I have a spin dress? Perfect. Beer in here? They all sparkling. Oh, here's mimosa sour.
The black one.
Here's a pilsner.
That's good.
Okay, it's a tall boy. Are you offended by it?
So the Chama River runs through the eastern edge of the Colorado Plateau. Some of the oldest rocks here are 200 million years, 20 million years old.
200 million.
200 million years old, holy shit.
Yeah. So
Is this the monastery?
So the Monastery of Christ in the Desert owns Abbey Brewing Company, the only brewery owned by a monastery in the US. How cool. But you can't stop here and buy beer. I think you used to be able to. We would if we could.
She read the off the book.
I did. Undercut rapid.
Shit, I'm about to get so wet up the back.
No.
Oh, it's gonna be terrible.
I'm gonna do a good job. Woo, my feet are wet. I have to sneeze.
Coming up on Meandering Rapid, which is just like a long wave train.
Okay. It's so nice out.
It was a beautiful day.
I'm just totally in my happy place. This is why we shouldn't drink the water. All right, we're coming up on Skull Bridge Rapid. High water.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, I'm gonna get wet. Woo! Nice.
Crushed it.
That was awesome. Super fun. That was cool. Awesome.
The Ellen Southworth School of Rafting. This is how we go through a class, whatever, 1, nothing, ripple. She says we won't hit the wall.
I'm pretty confident.
I broke rule number 1 of the Ellen Southworth School of Rafting. I put my hands on the oars and directed the boat where to go. Ellen Southworth School of Rafting. River knows the way, bro. Ah, no. I ain't worried about it. River knows the way. Where's my beer? How'd I do, babe? Was that good?
Perfect.